Hi there, good morning. How are you doing? So yesterday was a bumpy road. Let's see what we can do today. Let's evaluate this first. So yesterday I was targeting this no wick candle, and it tagged it today there. So the rationale for this was there's two no wick candles here. So one will be tagged first, which it did. At 2 o'clock in the morning, and then that one would follow through and was tagged by this one. So this is an order block. This is a bearish order block. Sorry, this is the white candle is a bearish order block. Price, why? Because it left took that low, so order block came, tagged it here, rejected in the middle of the order block there, took, and then all the way down here. So I'm expecting this to go lower. Came again, took those sell stops, buy stops I mean, and let's just make some movement. So I'm risking 50k now as risk. So started with 10k, can go higher as 50 to see if we can get this moving. So the idea is so it came again, tag that one. Now I believe it will resume and do the same with this one. Come as low as this one to touch it again. This was tagged, came above, this came lower. So this is a balanced price range, I would say. So if price was not able to go above, and we have seen the XY going lower, but now there's this new week opening gap from last year that is finding some support, and we see Euro and GBP trying to push a little bit higher. What I think will happen is we might see it reverse. So the XY reversing to the upside once touching this again, and this might be going lower. So let's wait and see if this is the case. Does not seem like it, so let's keep on selling this on a 15-minute basis. What we see here, it's a down candle, up, came, tagged this by sides, then should have, if it is a bearish move, should have come all the way down here, which didn't. So I'll be exiting the trade there in case I'm wrong, and it's putting some steam, and we'll exit the trade around this level. So what I want to see is the down, up and down move, and then another candle that goes above to this level, tag this level more or less, and then resume on lower, and then find some support in the middle of this order block over there. So there's this inversion fair value gap here. Price came 1, 2, 3, rejected, came lower, took those sell stops here, came to this propulsion block, which is a bullish propulsion block, on a 15-minute basis. Keep on selling until it reaches that level. And then I want to see it retrace all the way up to this level. Hopefully will not tag me out above this, which is, this comes at 609.5. Well, it did already. So let's reverse this, go to longs. Now it's just the opposite, so it did not come lower, it came to this order block, found some support, want this to be tagged. And now I'm betting heavily on this move. Let's see, on a 45-minute we have this level. Came, rejected, so let's see if we can nail it again. .15 minutes, so they came, tag this one. Since you stopped in the middle of this candle, I'm expecting this to be converted into an order block, hopefully. To reduce a little bit the heavy load I'm having currently. Too loaded. So let's take some profits here just for the sake of reducing part of this weight, and then buy above if he wants to push through. Yeah. Okay, so took some profits and can buy another one. There's a volume imbalance there. Let's enter now. Propulsion block did not close below, so coming to this level, let's take it something there. 11.75. It's rejecting. Build a 50k position. So 50k now. Yeah, so we are going up. Now I want 50k position again, but starting from this level. There, 50. There's a no weak candle, so I'll be taking some profits there at this level, that level. So this is 2.5 stop loss to short. It's too short. Luckily this is moving higher, so I'm buying as we go. So 217, reducing the risk to have a 50k for, let me just drop this. So I need to build a better profile there. Okay, taking it out. Lose the perspective, so buy side liquidity above. This is the level that my target. Let's build a 50k position. 20k above. Okay, nice. It came lower and buying. Let's take it out there. So this is a 2-handle stop. There's an imbalance, so I need to lower it because I might want to come after it. We're running for this rejection block. So back to equity. Okay, 58. It's rejecting at this level as I was expecting. Heavily rejecting. See if it can hold this order block here. See, 50k there. What's happening with ES? Looking bullish. So see if my stop is safe there. Want to see it push higher. The XY is moving to this new weak opening gap. So I believe we are done with the longs. There's this level here. So we are turning to shorts. Selling. Let's build a 50k position. There. 30-second chart. 30-second chart. Check where OT is. So 62% level. Yeah, they tagged half of it. $50k position again. There's the rejection block here, so I'll take 1000 here. And the rest above. Okay, I want to buy above this level. There's 3 consecutive 15 seconds that will be smoked, hopefully, unless this will be turning negative, but they did not take this low. And there's a minor SMT divergence. Let me see. 297.75, 97.75. Okay, entering. Remove this one. Yeah. It's not easy, yeah? It's not easy. It was easy. So 1, 2, 3, lower low. To come all the way here. Move this. So let me just see. Yeah. I think minor rejection is in order. So phantom trend line here. There, phantom. Can go all the way, crawling lower in ES. Same here. It's already on the other side of, this is a pitchfork, it's already on the other side. So, and it's going lower, 55. So, let's see. Taking some profits, reducing the risk, 27k risk. Now we are at break even. There's 262 down below, so building the position of 50k from this level. I'll push it a little bit too much. 50. Okay. There. Let's see. Moving lower. So on a 15-minute basis, we saw this. Now they might want to take the ELF of this 15 minutes there. Not yet. Let's take some profits here. Reduce risk. Risk has been reduced to break even. Now I want to see it reject and take this low. There. Lower low. If they want to turn, they need to take this one. Now when we have the situation where we have ES crawling to a low and NQ, one of them will do it first. So if ES will do it first, we might expect an And just concentrate here, sorry. Putting something into profits to recover this account. 69. So they might want to do SMT divergence. So something similar to ES doing this while NQ doing this. This is as far I would say we could go here. So let's put some steam on this move. There, nice. Still at break even. Do not want to risk with such a large position. Finding support at this level. Might want to tag me. Let's build a 50k position. Entering on this fair value gap with the short. 15 seconds. Hopefully it will reject. Keep on selling inside there. 50k. Institutional order flow entry drill. Let's put my stop there. It's too close. 20k risk. Well, I'm being tagged. And let's see. Resumes lower or higher. Yeah, was too short of a stop. Entering in that fair value gap now. This one. Building a 50k position. There. Constant encroachment. Checking. Stop goes there. Keep on building a 50k position. There, 50k position built. Okay. So want to see this low been taken. Stop to break even. Nice. So let's see if we have SMT on ES or NQ. NQ is pushing higher to go for stops. My 50k position again from that level. There. Here. So let's see. Comes first. So when we can squeeze a little bit to understand if we are in conditions to score or get tagged as we did. Building the position again. 50k. Let's see, seems to be a shift in market structure. DXY is moving lower, so let's go long. Too much. Now we took those stops, rejected going lower, at least for the moment, and resuming higher. Stop goes below this potential order block, not yet. Let's see on a 1 minute basis. Put something into balance, tagging this consequent encroachment, reducing stop to minute levels, putting something into profit. Yeah, I'll go short again. See if this can hold. Well, they're trying to do SMT here. Yes, already did. See if they want to take this one. Yeah, they want to go higher. So shifting market structure. Want to be a buyer above this. Project the equilibrium. There's buy side 89% level. Let me keep investing above this level as it pushes higher, or closer to that level. It's okay also. Put 50k on the stake. Put something into balance. Seems to want to go lower. So this level was taken. They want to go to take this. So they scored it there, and at least they want to go after this one. Let's go for it. So the XY is pushing higher. We have a judo swing. Stop is above this fair value gap. Let's take something off here. The rest. Reducing risk levels. The XY is really pushing higher. There. So, which causes normally they to go for a stop and not sure if above this level again. There. Are respecting these levels. Institutional order flow entry drill. Rejecting once, rejecting twice. Want to see this sell side taken before resuming higher. The XY is pushing to this new weak opening gap. Euro is dropping, GBP is dropping, but index have their own anima. So let's sell this. What a messy price. It's refusing to go lower, while the XY is really pushing. Now, finally, 8.23, at 25, we'll see some macro movement. So let's wait for it. Okay. Seeing some signs of behavior. 17k. Let's put something into balance. Not liking this price action at all. 50k above. Risk has been reduced. Want this to go lower as this week. Lower low. Sure if they want to take this IO feed again. Institutional order flow entry drill. Yeah, rejecting. Selling. Okay, so take some profits there. 33, not too much profit there. Taking something off, build a position from this level as a stop. 50k now. See who comes first, yes or NQ to this, to take the sell side. After bumping into this rejection block there, some order of sell side is in order before resuming low higher. Okay, so there, build a 50k position. There, a bit too much. Okay, no, it's exact. Comes first. Taking some profits at these levels. There, that level, this level, this rejection block. Selling opportunity. There's this volume imbalance here. They came there. They spend some time here inside. It would come as high as this. So they need to tag it again to go lower. Did it already. Taking profits, reducing stop to 50k. Reducing stop to 50k. Stop is now at 35. Okay, 50k risk. Come on. You are close to it. See who comes first. So recouping balance. Just try to recoup it faster. Not yet there. Selling, building a 50k position. It's too big. It's too big. Okay, so stops taken here, but they are not yet ready. So we are approaching 8:30, so I want to see all the way lower. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Blast off to the other side. There's news. Okay. There's this rejection block here. So on a 1 hour basis, we have this propulsion block. There's sell side liquidity here to be taken. And which this will be doing. So he has already bumped into this so there's the sell side here, got respected 77, selling, came lower, they took the stops. There's still sell side here. So yes, took the sell side, but there's no major imbalances here on 1 hour. So this might need to keep on pushing lower to this order block. Well, it's not an order block actually. This is the one. That's the order block because this is what produces the imbalance. Well, no, on a 1 hour basis, there's not much imbalances here. So let's see. Going higher now. Just to this level. Buying above that level. So DXY spiked, now is coming lower, and Euro is also recovering from this drop to fill this gap. So there's a buy side imbalance here on a 15-second basis. Okay, so 257. Sorry guys. Sim, no bloqueamento da gravação já falamos, tá? Não vou escrever nada. Sorry about that. So we are pushing lower. See the end of this fair value gap there. So reducing risk. See how far this want to push lower. Let's risk 26k on this move. There, selling again. Let's risk 50k. There, 57. And I want to take something off here. Here. Closer to this order block. Let's see how it goes. Let's reduce the risk, putting exactly closer to the middle of this one, which is an order block, after leaving this imbalance. So actually you could leave my stop there and build a position of 50k from this level and expect it to roll a little bit lower. So we have a partial here. Reducing the risk because I'm not seeing it happening. Should have done by now. Yeah, it's coiling to turn. It's turning. Let's see one thing. 62% level. Stop is now at break even. Want to see this buy side taken now. So they took this sell side. Now I want to see this buy side taken. Although we are at OTE for the going lower, so let's see what will happen. My stop goes below this equilibrium level. And want to buy above, if this is to turn bullish, to buy above this no wick candle there. Stop goes here below these two ones. And I want they quickly erase and evaporate that buy side. Well, let's put it a little bit below. Opportunity to buy. Buying. Order block. Propulsion block. See if it closes below. If it closes below, I do not want to be in the trade. So, how far can it go? There's this volume imbalance, so let's buy if they come here and then reject. There's a no wick candle there. 10-second order block, 1, 2, 3, buying. 1, 2, 3, and then up. Stop to break even. Yeah. Well, actually, they came to this volume imbalance here. And they are resuming lower, I believe. Okay. This was the rejection. So they came, this is the range, middle of the range. Middle of the range is here, so my stop goes. 1, 96.5. Okay, nice. Really. Taking profits. There. 371. Let's put just 1K on this one. I want to push it all the way here. Let's hope they do it. If not, we'll be out with a 300K day. I mean, 100 more or less. Yeah, this is juicy, so they might want to come here. Let's sell something above this level. No, it's too heavy, so let's sell, sell, sell. Break even. Put into balance. Keep on pushing lower. There's sell side here. Well, tagged me. So anyway, it's 93. Selling. See if we are there. There. It's probably here. 95, 10K. Let's put it. Okay, so 400s. Okay, so they came here. They might want to do an OT. Let me just remove all of this. We know we come from there already. And this might be the level for the OT. So 62% level. Build a 50K position. This is 62%, 549. Okay, so $549. OT. I mean institutional olive row entry drill. There. So let's, this is a 10-second chart, so let's okay. They're not going back. Okay. Just in risk 50K on the alone. Yeah, going higher now. There. So at least up to there. Building a 50K position. Was too much. is IO fed. So let's keep on selling. Got it wrong. It's too heavy. So there's this building a level. So if they went so quickly down, they will go so quickly up. Until when? Until there. So it's not coming lower, or is it? Yes, it's already moving. Order block, middle of it. Let's remove this and this. If this is an order block, price should not come above 35,000. So let's build a 50k position there. So let's see who comes first, ES or NQ. But I want to go out at this level here, partial, and then the rest 62%, 59. This is heavy. See if this candle holds. Not seeing a meaningful order block here, so support this trade. It's just churning the account back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, detect this old 1 hour sell side imbalance. Building a plateau here. So let's see if price can resume higher. We have the XY failing to make highs. This is a lower low, and then I believe they will make a new low here. Well, they took this level out, so they will keep on resuming bearishness. Why did I stop? Because, it's how it is. You can do the challenge easier if you keep on investing. Too much heaviness. 3 risk. So 275. Yeah, it's just consolidating here. I want to be out. So let's see if we can see a significant drop to the 300s. Stop to break even. Let's see if this can ride alone without tagging me out. But there's no weak candle there, so they will most probably come and tag me out. There it goes. Already doing it. Tagging. Well, surprised. Let's put it there to see what happened. What will happen? They're preparing a SMT divergence, yes or no. See, 3 weeks. This needs to be erased. And I think they are preparing an SMT divergence. So I'm exiting, believing that this is what will happen. So either ES or NQ need to make this new low. Okay. 15-second charts, don't forget. See all sorts of bumps. Seems to be bigger than just a tiny movement. There's a 10-minute imbalance here, 50k it's above. So let's see if it makes sense. Keep selling. Nope. It's finding support there. Let's see a spike up. Well, it's consolidating, so I'm dropping this, seeing if it takes one of the lows, and that's it. So ES is the one that is doing it. ES takes this major low, while NQ will take only this one. Not yet there, there's still an imbalance. Let's put stop above. Selling in this 10-second fair value gap. There's another one here. So selling there. Before this resumes lower. So 8:55, so in 5 minutes we'll see a turn. So they need to take some stops. There's buy stops above, sell stops below. So what I'm expecting is them to take these lows and then resume higher when we are at 9 o'clock. Let's take some profit here. Let's not increase the position size there. Profit taken. Let's take some more partials. See if, well, they now at that break even, because ES already took sell side and this move is pushing it higher. There. So SMT, now let's see if we can expect it to turn. Stop goes below this wick. And we are approaching, so it's 3 minutes left. And yes, took this sell side. And now at 9 o'clock we'll see an explosion up. Meanwhile, I'm at break even. To see the right above. So 2 minutes and a half more or less remaining. So my stop is protected by this level here, which is a hold 1 hour sell side imbalance. I'll be taking a buy above this level when they push it. This can be taken out there. Okay. Stop at break even. So close to or something like a minute. And now I want to see a partial taken there, and the rest can go up to 70% level, 79, 89% I would say. So let's wait and see. So less than a minute. Take something off here. We are too close, 1 minute left. This is a break even, so we gain nothing if it just takes us, but we take something if we are correct. There, now I can raise this a little bit higher. 20 seconds. It look like they want to resume it lower, so taking this off. Okay, it's taking it off, but yeah, this looks juicy, you know, it's 10 seconds to go. Will be tagged, most probably, or they will just go for another push lower there and then resume higher, pushing lower. So 64, 63, so one point over stop. So it's 127. 1 to 7 trade. Now at break even. Okay. Let's take something off. 100. There. It's just, making time. So guys, talk soon. See you soon. So as a summary, we have a bumpy road again, and this is so we were sitting at 230, and now okay, profit, and now we are at 289, which is interesting. So let's see how many minutes we were also in the trade. So 59k profit, and this was in, let's see, so let's put this on a hourly candle. 1, 2, 3. Let's consider this 1, 2, 3. Well, at the start of the 30-minute candle, so 1 hour and a half, let's say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 hour and a half of trading. This was from yesterday, so 1 hour, 1 hour plus 30 minutes, and we are sitting in growth. We are at 29%. Well, actually this is 289, well, 290, let's call it 290, because this is 9.9, so this is 290, so it's 60. Okay, so we are sitting 29% growth on the year in March. Okay, keep in touch. Bye bye, see you soon for next time. Bye.